Some people did portraits of each other, and some people did plants.
We're making our own style.
I'm trying to make it so it doesn't look too realistic, but it kind of looks more cartoony.
I'm drawing the same plant, but a little different. I'm using my imagination to add things. I wanted to make it more fun.
They looked completely different.
Two different styles. I like both drawings. I'm doing a portrait of Megan, and she's doing a portrait of me. This is a drawing of my friend, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm using a pencil. I like the pencil because it makes thin lines, and the charcoal is good for when you're making thick lines.
This is charcoal. It's darker than a pencil.
I'm using the side of the charcoal. It fills in a bigger area. And I didn't make it look exactly the same as this plant right here. Keep practicing and practicing, and then once you get used to it, that's basically your style of drawing. However you draw it is your style.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peterific games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.